This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook popcorn without a microwave. First, gather your essential ingredients. 1/2 cup of popcorn kernels, 2 to 3 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, and salt to taste. You'll also need a sturdy, heavy-bottomed pot, ideally 3 quarts or larger, with a tight-fitting lid. This setup ensures even heat distribution and prevents steam from escaping too quickly, which is crucial for perfectly popped corn. Make sure your stovetop burner is ready for action. Now, let's get the oil ready. Pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of your chosen cooking oil into the heavy-bottomed pot. Vegetable oil, coconut oil, or even olive oil work wonderfully. Next, add just 3 popcorn kernels to the cold oil. Place the pot over medium-high heat. These 3 kernels are your indicators. They'll tell you when the oil has reached the perfect temperature for popping. Wait patiently for them to pop, which usually takes a few minutes. As soon as those 3 test kernels pop, immediately remove the pot from the heat. This brief pause is vital for bringing the oil temperature down slightly. Now, add 1/2 cup of the remaining popcorn kernels to the pot, spreading them in a single layer. Put the lid back on tightly and return the pot to medium-high heat. Gently shake the pot back and forth every few seconds to prevent burning and ensure all kernels pop evenly. Listen for the rapid popping to begin. Keep shaking the pot gently until the popping sounds slow down significantly to about 2 or 3 seconds between pops. This indicates that most of the kernels have popped. Carefully remove the pot from the heat and let it sit for about 30 seconds to allow any final kernels to pop. Then, carefully pour your freshly popped corn into a large serving bowl. Season generously with salt or any other toppings you love and enjoy your delicious homemade stovetop popcorn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.